every day better than yesterday. With this thought, stand everyone. Myself Shans, I did in class with B. Today I am here to tell some amazing facts. So let's start. Fact number 1. A baby is born with 300 bones, with adults have 206 bones in their body. Fact number 2. Our irises last about 150 days. Fact number 3. Our brain is 60% fat, but it still works hard. Fact number 4. A man smiles 8 times in a day, but a female smiles just 2 times in a day. Fact number 5. Our eyes blink around 20 times in a minute. Fact number 6. Our ear never stops growing, never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. With this, I am going to end my fact. Thank you.
Well done. Brilliant. So this book is called Sindbad the Sailor. You will love it. Chalo.